Hi guys, welcome back. Common accounting teams, all the business. Now we are going to see profit. What is the profit? Profit is the positive difference between income generated from the selling goods or service and expense incurred to the perform that business activities. Profit is the excess of revenue over the expense. See, the profit is the positive difference between income generated from selling goods or service and expenses. So you can say this is, if we are getting the profit, that means what? This is a positive word, correct? You can more focus on your business. So this it is excess of revenue or over the expense. That means if you spend some money for the expense, you are getting from the revenue more than expense. That's called profit, no? So the profit is like a positive. The positive. This profit is very important for the accounting, all the companies. Okay. Thank you guys. We will see for another video.